Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to carve out some letters on this piece of live edge. To get an idea of how large this thing actually is, it's roughly 2 inches thick, and it's a really big piece of live edge. Now the problem with something this large when it comes to engraving is that it's never totally flat. For something this large, it likes to warp on you over time. So for this project here specifically, I had to hold it down using manual methods all the way around, because the vacuum system on live edge like this doesn't do anything, doesn't do squat for you. Now the other challenge with something this large is that it has a lot of weight to it, and that's also an advantage. So the challenge with it is actually positioning it, because I'm the only guy in the shop, so I got to move this around 200-pound piece of live edge to fit properly on the router bed. Now the good thing about that kind of weight is that it's not prone to move around on you. So once you put it there, it's pretty much going to stick there, and all the manual holding down systems all the way around just make sure that any sort of warping is at an absolute minimum. Because the last thing you want to do is when you're carving out about 1 inch thick, or inch deep into this, is have the wood shift on you just a little bit. And what that would do is instantly break the bit, and then you have a whole other headache to deal with. So what is this project being used for by the customer? Well, for them, what they're going to do is what they've already done. They've sort of paralleled it on both sides, so it's relatively flat, which helps me a lot. They also did the resin fill, as you can see all around here. So now that I've carved into it, what they're going to do is do a resin fill into here, and then on the back side they're going to clear out the area, and then what they'll put is LED lights going across. So when they shine the LED lights, it will shine light through this and make their logo really stand out. I think it will look totally amazing once they're done, especially after you finish this wood properly. It's just going to look just mind-blowing. So if you're looking for custom live edge work or any of that kind of stuff, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll cut it for you and ship it right to your door.